Video. Oh my god. Oh. No, it's this.
Oh wow.
Ghost fart.
Yeah, you see pro. And which one?
Yeah, like we're doing it every day. For the breakfast. Yeah. No. Nah. Maybe bigger? My speaker.
Are you recording?
Just to make sure I can. I think a little bit bigger, right?
Yeah, a little bit. This song? What's it? All dirty.
Okay.
I don't want to roll it around here.
No, me. Of course, me. I'm the mommy. You have the bathing thing.
This one's still clean. No.
Anymore.
Don't speak him.
Yeah. I'm done.
Nice! She's in! Yay!
Oh. It's quite disgusting.
Oh man! You don't like how slimy it is!
Look at me! Look at me!
Damn! You look so pretty.
Yeah, I know. Oh, it's super heavy.
What?
It's super heavy.
Yeah,
And the juice is coming out.
It got juice.
Estamos rompiendo muchachos.
Oh my god.
Y se fue los pies. Lego. Y se fue.
Let's do it! Leo, go back, Leo! I have no idea.
Where is he?
Guys!
It's kind
Oh my god, it's so heavy. Leo, no. Leo!
Saw myself in the camera.
Is it more comfortable? Yeah.
Damn, that looks
Yeah, me
cool.
tilt your head a little bit like that. Yeah.
Yeah. Wait a minute, what are you doing? Wait, oh, come on, I'm holding! Okay, I'll hold it. With the lights, you said. Ah, okay, then let's go. Can you blow out the candles? Oh my god. Right.
Goodbye, Eileen.
1, 2, 3.
Sehr schön.
Und altpreußisch Semi-Sami. Snack time! Monster's still hungry.
I'm seeing things running through your head. Little man, sleeping in your bed. Oh, who you gonna call?
What, the ice fell off? It's just one. One eye, it's okay. Oh, the other one. This detail is this is so cute. All the details. As if they were like planning like 1 month or something.
Which is pouring some soup. With
You wanna start?
Give me a phone. It's fine. Okay. Yeah. Like just
So how to just
no, just leave it on a plate.
this stuff. Yeah.
I hope it doesn't go out.
yeah.
Moment of truth.
Is it
Oh yeah. No, we have a timer for it, right?
bow? Thank you.
Woo!
Should I take one for you?
Okay, open. Woo! Woo! Chef! Woo, chef! Okay.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Nice for a change. Pizza.
So the one we ate like a couple of hours ago.
Oh wow, that's so cute!
You can pass
Maria?
What should I do?
it. Continue.
Continue. Your style.
This is really cool. I like the dots on the top actually. It's really cool.
Yeah. Creative mind.
Nice.
Right? Or this one? Oh, you don't remember. Okay, I'm just asking this. Don't jump.
Leo also wants some face paint, I think.
Yeah.
Let's make it orange.
A bowl.
He's not going for your ears.
Becky, Becky.
You're going for my ears.
Maybe my ears are not so tasty.
Yeah, I think so.
I want to do something like here. Like the Indian.
No.
No. No.
What's on the other side? Show. Oh, to doggy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Doggy? What?
Ducks.
Oh, the ducks?
That's what I've been
Chicks,
told.
chicks, they're chicks.
Nice. Oh my god, okay, I'm getting scared.
Same. Whoa! He's like pulling the whole down. Wow.
Alright,
Oh my
alright. Go for it. Just take good stuff out.
god. Wait, keep your mug, keep your mug.
Thank you guys. You believe in me so much.
Oh my god.
Where is it?
Someone's like, boy, it's gonna drop.
No, up. Yes. So now it's
Wait,
stuck.
okay. No, stop this shit. Just leave it. It's okay, like it. Yeah. Please.
It's almost out, you guys. Don't worry.
What? Just giving birth to a baby now? Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Almost.
Yes, it was like half
It got
second,
stuck.
yeah.
Yeah, at the end.
Whoa, the... Poor thing. Left her.
Left, sure.
It was right.
That's a complete mess. FYI.
Yes.
Oh, we can put timer.
Oh, we can do that.
3, 2, 1.
Wait. Yeah.
one last, okay?
Yes.
Let's make it good.
Left. Everyone put their asses left.
Left.
Wait. Okay. Ready?
Ready?
Ah. I believe.
Because I was dancing a little bit, right?
Yeah.
The dog.
It's the best one. Yeah, I think so. We're good.